Hello guys and welcome to G Graphics channel where I share the best graphic design tips, hacks and Photoshop tutorials so that you can level up your graphic design skills. Today we are going to take a look at how you can change any color on an object with hue/saturation in Photoshop. Without wasting time, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and at the end, if you find this video interesting and helpful, drop a like and share with colleagues. Okay, let's get started. When you need to change the color of something in a photo, look no further than hue/saturation adjustment layers. Learn how to use hue/saturation to target specific colors in an image, and then make adjustments to the hue, lightness, and saturation to change those colors to whatever you want. You can select a specific color range from a photo that you want to change. Let's say that you wanted to change the yellow couch to maybe orange. You can use the eyedropper tool and sliders near the bottom of the dialog to select only the yellow on the couch, and then use the top 3 sliders to shift the color to orange. That's it guys, that is how you can change any color on an object with hue/saturation in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, share your comment down below and please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more exclusive graphic design tips, tools and hacks. Catch you on the next one.